Hi guys, today is a special day because it's my birthday. I've turned 26 and I wanted to celebrate by making my ultimate tartelette with you. It's a dark chocolate tartelette with almond. I hope you stick around till the end because then I have a really nice giveaway. So, enjoy! Start by pouring 150 grams of flour in a bowl. Also add 80 grams of icing sugar, 25 grams of almond powder, 50 grams of cocoa powder and 110 grams of butter. Then crack one egg in a bowl and mix this. Weigh 30 grams of the egg. Now knead this into a nice ball of dough. Then wrap it in plastic foil and let it rest for 1 hour in your fridge. Meanwhile, pour 150 grams of sugar in a pan together with 75 grams of water. Now heat this up till it's a golden brown caramel. Mix this with 160 grams of almond flakes. Keep heating it while mixing till the whole mixture is nice and golden. Then pour it on a silicone mold and let it cool down for around 5 minutes. Now transfer it into a food processor and blender it till it's a smooth praline. Don't forget to scrape the edges in between. When it's done, weigh 150 grams of the praline in a bowl and set aside for later. Then add 100 grams of whipped cream to the remaining praline and also add 120 grams of dark chocolate. Mix this and then transfer it into a piping bag. Tie a knot in the bag and set aside for later. Now flour your worktop and roll the dough into a 3 mm thin sheet. Then take a big baking ring and cut the dough in a round shape. Lay this in the baking ring. Cut the remaining dough into 2 lines and press them to the side of the baking ring. Now remove any excess dough with the back of your knife. Then let the dough set in your fridge for 30 minutes and then bake it for 20 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, crack 1 egg and mix this with 30 grams of whipped cream. Now remove the baking ring and brush the egg yolk mixture on the tartelette. Bake it for an additional 8 minutes. Then let it cool down completely on a baking tray. After that, brush some melted chocolate on the inside. Now pipe the layer of praline ganache in the tartelette. Let this set. Then soak 1 leaf of gelatin in cold water. Pour 50 grams of whipped cream in a pan with 70 grams of water and 50 grams of sugar. Bring this to a boil. Now while stirring, add 20 grams of cocoa powder and let this boil for 2 minutes. After that, dissolve your gelatin in this mixture. Now let it cool down till it's at room temperature and then pipe it on the praline ganache. Tap out any air bubbles and let this set in your fridge. Meanwhile, pour 150 grams of whipped cream in a saucepan and bring this to a boil. Now dissolve 130 grams of white chocolate in the cream and then also add the remaining 150 grams of praline. place in a bowl. Cover it with plastic foil and let it set in your fridge for 2 hours. Then transfer it into a mixing bowl and whip this until it has fluffy, stiff peaks. Divide this in 2 piping bags, one with a round nozzle and the other with a Wilton nozzle. Pipe the praline cream on your tart. Start with the round nozzle and then the Wilton nozzle. And now I decorate it with some toasted almonds and some chocolate galettes. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed my birthday video. And because it's my birthday, I'm doing a little giveaway. Because I'm giving away this beautiful wood stove knife. Go to my Instagram page, Jules Cooking, if you want to enter, and I put a link in the description. And for now, subscribe if you want to see more, like and comment, and as always, bon appetit!